but now you're gone, and all I have is time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby, yeah, I didn't forget you. Hey, no, I didn't forget you, baby. I know we drifted so far apart, and I know we both made a brand new start. I saw you walking.
Okay, you guys, it's time to put some dirt in the raised beds. I think I showed you guys in the last gardening vlog that the raised beds are pretty empty. I really don't know where the soil goes. It just disappears. So every year I have to fill it back up and get things moving along again. We went to LeRose this morning and got 16 bags of my favorite raised bed mix. We're also going to be potting up some of my seedlings. I'm watering them now because they look a little parched. I've noticed these new seed trays dry out a lot more than my other seed trays. So that's something to notice. I need to probably water them a little bit more frequently. So instead of every 7 days, I need to water them a lot more. So I'm gonna pot up some of the bigger plants into a larger container. We also need to start our like squash and cucumbers today, and then in the raised bed, once I get all of the soil in, I want to do some carrots, some radishes and lettuce as well. And then I also thought I started some marigolds, and I guess they never grew, so I need to kind of think about what I want to put in all of the raised beds. Last year I did marigolds, but I think I also want to do like little tiny zinnias. So I also need to start some zinnias, Cosmo, and some other stuff today, so we'll be getting to that. Today and tomorrow are going to be big gardening days, and I'm very excited. This is what I live for.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're all built and right. We just have to hold on through the night. As long as we are watching the fire, we'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go wrong, it's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free, yeah. And it won't take a lot. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling,